Let's take a tour of the -48 calculator. First, we'll enter a single character, A. This entry activates several visual attributes of the calculator. At the top, we have two ciphers enabled, Simple English and Reverse English. Below that is the active cipher, currently Simple English in green. Below that is the phrase entered and its calculated sum for the single character A. And lastly, below that is the phrase breakdown section where everything is simply the number 1. So let's shift from a single character to a full word. Let's type ant, A-N-T. Now the phrase breakdown shows that A is 1, N is 14, T is 20, which adds up to 35 total. Let's load the full 26-letter alphabet to explain the cipher weights for each letter. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and Z is 26. All 26 letters sum to 351. Let's switch the current active cipher to Reverse English by simply long pressing and holding on the yellow Reverse English labeled cipher. You'll see everything below switch to that cipher color of yellow. Note that the cipher is reversed where Z is 1, Y is 2, X is 3, and A is 26. Let's switch back to Simple English with a long press. Everything returns to green again. This calculator can also support single-digit numbers weighted in the cipher. All ciphers use the same weighting for each number, which is the value of the number. Where 1 is 1 and 9 is 9, 0 has no weight. Long pressing back to the Reverse English cipher switches everything back to yellow, and all the numbers have the same weight. Let's switch back to Simple English and clear the phrase entered by pressing the X in the center above the phrase. Let's type in a simple word with 3 letters, C-A-T for cat. Inspecting the phrase breakdown area, we see that C is 3, plus A is 1 sums to 4, plus T, which is 20, totals 24. Let's clear that and try another word, D-O-G for dog. Inspecting the phrase breakdown area, we see that D is 4, plus O is 15, sums to 19, plus G, which is 7, totals to 26. Let's clear that and now type in a full sentence of 3 words. Cat and dog. Cat is 24, and is 19, dog is 26, totaling 69. Let's switch the cipher again. We'll see that cat now equals 57, and is 62, dog is 55, totaling 174. Switch back to Simple English, making everything green again. This calculator will ignore any punctuation entered, contributing 0 weight to the total. The single-digit number underneath the cipher sum is the full reduction value for that cipher's digits. Full reduction consists of reducing a multi-digit number to a single digit, with some exceptions. 6 plus 9 is 15, which is still 2 digits. 1 plus 5 is 6, which is the full reduction of 69. 1 plus 7 plus 4 equals 12, still 2 digits. 1 plus 2 equals 3 for the full reduction. To save an entered phrase, simply press the blue folder with the plus sign. There are 2 of these save buttons available for convenience. Let's save this phrase using this one. When pressed, note the saved phrase displayed below, which is called the history area. Let's add another phrase and store that using the other save option, which appends to the history below. Hope this helps with understanding gematria a little better. Thank you, and good day.